going to put the new blade in. You can obviously see the difference between new and old. This old one here's been let way too long. So I'm just going to pop this in now. What we need to do, we need to have the new bolt. Then we have the plastic washer. Then we'll have the blade that'll sit over that. And then that will need to go into the new spot. I'll just set this up properly. Just make sure that that fits right in nicely back into that slot, so there's nowhere for it to go. Now I've got the metal washer there. Now I've got my nylon nut that'll go over it. Just allow that to spin on quite freely by hand, and then we just tighten it up with the 9/16 spanner. Alright, hope this